Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the DST on your Casio G-Shock. So today we have the GA-2100, also known as the Casioak. So the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 3 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and the first thing that you can set is your home city. Now we are going to use the mode button and press it once in order to go past that and arrive at the DST function. Now you are going to use the two buttons on the right, either the start or the light button, in order to switch between on and off. So if you want to have the daylight saving time, you can leave it on, or if you want it off, you can leave it off. After you have done so, you simply press the adjust button one more time and you are done. That is how you can adjust, so change the DST function on your Casio G-Shock. Now if you enjoy this type of videos guys, make sure to give the thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you on the next video.